Good morning to one and all. My name is Dr. N. Ahmed Sheikh, Assistant Professor of Botany, Jamal Muhammad College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to discuss about basics of DNA. So before going to study the DNA, we should know what is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are naturally occurring organic complex substances present in all living forms that serve as their primary information carrying molecules in living cells. Nucleic acids are long chain-like molecules composed of a series of identical building blocks called nucleotide, and each nucleotide consists of a nitrogen-containing aromatic base attached to a pentose sugar, which is stand attached to a phosphate group. Nucleic acid contains five types of nitrogen bases, namely adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. In these, adenine and guanine characterized as purines and other three such as cytosine, thymine, and uracil are pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines are nothing but heterocyclic aromatic compounds divided based on carbon ring. For example, adenine and guanine are two carbon ring and cytosine, thymine and uracil are one carbon ring attached with nitrogen base. There are two types of nucleic acids, namely deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. Each nucleic acid has unique feature and function. So, DNA is a organic molecule that contains genetic code of an organism. Genetic code is nothing but the set of rules used by living cells to translate information encoded with genetic material into proteins. The DNA is present in prokaryotes except virus because in virus genetic material is RNA. In other it present in nucleoids. In eukaryotes, DNA found in nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. The DNA was first isolated by Friedrich Miescher in year 1860s. He was a Swiss chemist isolated phosphate-rich chemicals from lymphoid cells and named as nuclein. After his successful discovery, James Watson, American biologist, and Francis Crick, English physicist, discovered important momentous achievement in life sciences. That is, the sugar-rich organic compound nuclein is double helix in structure, identified through X-ray diffraction technique, and they conclude it is responsible for all activities performed in living cells. According to them, the DNA or double helix in structure contains nucleotide, sugar phosphate, and nitrogen bases. DNA contains four different types of nucleotides, nitrogen bases, that is adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. In this figure shows the nitrogen base adenine always bind with thymine and guanine binds always with cytosine. So, why DNA is important to living cells? The DNA play a vital role for all living organisms. It is important for inheritance, new cell development, reproduction, determine the paternity, forensic science, and sequencing of genome, plant, animal, and bacteria. For example, DNA is a storage of genetic material and information, transformation of genetic information to new cells, transformation of information for protein synthesis. Thank you, one and all.